Hi, we are getting ready to clean this patio paver. We're applying our algaecide right now. That'll kill the algae, the mildew, moss, any organics. And we were out yesterday. We did a lot of repairs. It was sinking down on that end down there and along the steps. So we're protecting the plants. And then we'll put a neutralizer down. And then we'll be back in a few days to apply our joint sand. We are in Powell, Ohio, to south of Delaware, Ohio. We applied our algaecide, and wherever the moss is, you can see where it's turning white. So we are killing all the organics before we apply our sand and sealer.